In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking link for scheduling appointments with Google Calendar. This handy feature can help streamline your scheduling process and make it easier for clients, colleagues, or friends to book time with you. We'll walk through each step of the process to ensure you're able to set this up without a hitch. To begin, open your Google Calendar. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser or opening the app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the upper left corner and click on the Create button. This will open a new event page where you can start setting up your appointment schedule. Next, look for the option labeled Appointment Schedule. Clicking on that will take you to a section where you can enter the crucial details about the appointments you're making available for booking. This includes assigning a title to your appointment, specifying the duration so people know exactly how long to set aside, and selecting the date and time slots when you're available. Once you've filled in all the necessary details about your appointments, click on Next. This step moves you forward in the process, but don't worry, you can still revisit earlier steps if needed. At this stage, you have the option to customize your booking page further. You can add a photo for a more personal touch, or provide detailed information such as the meeting location or any specific descriptions or instructions that might help those booking appointments know what to expect. Moving forward, press Save to ensure all your modifications are stored properly. This action takes you one step closer to sharing your appointment availability with others. Now it's time to make your booking page accessible to your audience. Simply find the appointment schedule within your calendar grid, click on it, and look for the Share button. Pressing the Share button will give you the option to copy link. This link is essentially your gateway to making it easy for others to book appointments with you. Copy the link and paste it wherever you need to share your appointment schedule. This could be in an email, a social media post, or even a direct message. Lastly, to give it a test, or ensure it's working smoothly, click the Open Booking Page option in the appointment schedule. This allows you to see exactly what participants will experience when they come to book an appointment. From this page, anyone can easily select a convenient time, enter their contact details, and finalize the booking by clicking on Book. And there you have it. You've successfully created a booking link using Google Calendar, enabling others to conveniently schedule appointments with you at times that work for both parties. This method not only saves you time, but also optimizes your availability, making scheduling a breeze in your personal or professional life. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.